Hello everyone, this week, and I'm going to show you my techniques again, how to start from this. Again, I've done some many videos and people love this video a lot. I got 38 um k views, and they're always just talking about it, that yeah, they really love it. So I'm gonna show you it well. You understand how it works, the tools and everything I used to just do these things. And I love the stuffs because if you follow my stuffs, you will understand how I used to do it all the time. But I just want you to open your ears and get close to this and get to me well. Okay, so this is my stuffs I've done for people love my works, and being for photographer and do stuffs, not much, but I know how to do my things. So this is the image right now. I'm gonna show you every process, all this thing, all this mess is going to I mean to remove, and you will feel how the research just work. Now the class is now good, everything, the makeup is something weird, so I'm gonna put to for you to learn all the stuff. Get to the battle, subscribe to it. I'm awake, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the image, right? This is the image right now. I'm going to slow everything down. So this is the image right now, and the only thing it's going to do is that you're going to duplicate this one. Okay, this image, you can make it shortcut, right click and move to the top here, duplicate, or you can just click Control plus J. Okay, it's the same as what I've just showed you, and this is so cool. Okay, so only thing we're going to start is that we have some brush you're going to use to do your retouch to make the face look so cute. You're going to click here, okay, and come to the mixer brush. Okay, and come to the mixer brush and just increase the pointer, something like this. Yeah, okay, the size and the hardness is going to be 0. Don't let it be here. We don't need it to hard, we just need it to be soft. Okay, so all that we're going to do is that we're going to change this. Okay, this one, okay, is in. I'm going to take it out. Okay, so that we can just use this brush to just smooth the face. So when you're done with it, we're going to click on this brush, okay, eyedropper tool, okay, to just choose where the color where we just want to, the color we just want to use to fit the face, to get everything for for this. So we're gonna choose here, okay, and then we'll come and click and choose the mixer brush tool again. Okay, then we will just increase the brush tool, okay, and you will start smoothing it. Okay, reduce it. Okay, so this is how you're going to take it and do it. Okay, so this is how you're going to take it, or you can just reduce the width to, let's say, always make it 15. Okay, so it's going to help you to take it slow. Okay, to take it slow. So this is how you're going to do it. Okay, but I prefer to make it 100% because I'm too fast. I know how I used to do my stuffs. I'm too fast. Okay, so I'm gonna fix everything just in a minute. This is going to be what I just want to do all the time. Okay, I love mixer brush. It's very powerful to change everything in just a second. Okay, So always try to use this brush. Okay, I'm going to show you everything. I don't like the face colors, different colors on her face, so you're going to change everything. Okay, so when you're done with it like this, okay, first thing you're gonna do is that you're going to just take this one, okay, to just make it up here. Okay, so when you're done, just come to image and move to adjustments, and down here black and white. Okay, so make it a black and white and click OK, and then move to filter and move to um other high pass. Okay, high pass, and just take it down here, around here. Okay, so I think 1.2 is okay. 1.2 pixels is okay. Then you click on it, then you change the normal to linear light. Okay, how you say? So this one is so cool. So I'm going back again to black and white, and just move to other higher pass, and just increase this one little, just 1.7, and change this one to the brush again. Okay, how is it? Before and after, so cool. So you just add them together. Control plus E. Okay, Control plus E. Then you add them together, and you come and click on this one. Okay, sports 2. You will click on it. Okay, then you increase it. I don't know how you're going to do your own, but this is how you're going to start. You will just point on it like this. Okay, to remove the spots like this. Okay, then you come back and check if it's okay for you. I mean for us, sorry. Then you just take it out, those things out. Okay, then I'm going to change this one. Okay, so all you're going to do is that you're going to choose this brush. I really love Dodge 2, and I love it a lot. Okay, exposure to 50. Okay, this one here. Then you increase the brush to small. Okay, and you make it like this. Okay, then we'll just duplicate this image again to something like this. Okay, then we will change the face color to make it good. So all thing we're going to do is that we're going to click on this eyedropper and choose the face color where we just like it to be. Then we just increase it. So we will move to color replacements too. Okay, to just fill where it's not good for us. Okay, so I'll be saying it. the hardness too high, so we'll move to the settings and just take the hardness down. Okay, then we'll click on it again. Okay, how is it? This is so cool. You can do the same. So I'm just want to make the face look as the same, simple thing. Okay, I'll show you how to work on the side. So let's just complete this side and side. Okay, here's no this part. So we're going to reduce the color. Okay, then we'll just click on it. That's how I used to do it all the time. So I will send it before and after, before and after. These are so very powerful. So here we don't like it, so all it is going to do is we're going to select this, going to use this tool, object selection. Okay, and sorry, not this one, sorry, quick selection tool. Okay, we're going to use this brush. So this is how it's going to be. Okay, then we'll just make it like this. Okay, so that we can just, it's not going to affect this earrings. So I just want to crop from here to here, and then I will just go and choose mixer brush and increase it. I don't like this glitch, sorry. I need to just reduce the brush tool. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Control D. Okay, then I will just choose hair color and go move to color replacements. Boom, that's it. I will love it a lot. It's worked so hard. Okay, so this is how it's going to do it, and that's cool. You can just learn a lot of things from this, and this is so cool. I really love to build my stuff like this, but this chain are going to work on it, so I'm going to drop another video that's a lesson too, and for you to just get everything you just want to learn from this. Subscribe to my page. I'm awake. See you for the next video. Bye.